Hello there. So the top of this tree is just starting to fail over the winter. The lighter coloured branches here have already died, but we have little bits of branches which are still the colour of the healthy branching. And as you still here, we've got some buds here which are grown still, so we still have a little bit of life in some of these little branches on this stem. But if we look along the stem, we see a totally different colour from this nice healthy purplish red. And if we go back, bear with me, further back here, this spread of the colour is going back to there. Now this stem further down appears healthy because it's all one colour, and this branch here which goes off up here has no dye back on, so that's quite healthy there. So that's all healthy here, healthy down there, but from this point here upwards we're starting to see some failure of the branching up there. Now this tree was diseased some years back, and the disease is continually battling the tree, and it'd be wise to prune off. Although there's little bits of life in these branches, it's going to fail this coming year, because the disease or the problem is in the stem already. It'll just spread, so we have no option but to prune an inch past here, and this bit will die back hopefully just to this point here and not further. We can't really prune to here in case any infection gets in and into the healthy wood. So we give it a good inch. Hopefully that'll die back in the coming months and the tree will stay healthy on this side. There's not much else we can do, but this sometimes happens. Hope that helps.